DEWALT 20V XR Drill Driver Combo Kit. Everybody's favorite. Let's see what we got inside. Really cool, tough carrying pack. Awesome. You got your drill. Pretty nice. Some instructions. You got your impact driver. Also really nice construction with the metal finish and the over molded grips. Really comfortable in the hand. And what's great is this kit actually comes with 2 batteries. These are only the 2 amp hour batteries, but nonetheless, that's pretty good. And you got the charger. It's a single charger, only charges 1 at a time, but should be enough for this kind of a kit.